Are you looking for some creative woodworking ideas? The art of woodworking is a living, breathing testament to the enduring creativity and ingenuity of the human spirit. From the earliest primitive tools to the sophisticated power tools of today, the practice of shaping and manipulating wood has captivated the minds and hands of artisans, hobbyists, and professionals alike. Whether it's the satisfaction of creating a beautifully crafted piece of furniture or the joy of transforming a raw piece of wood into a unique and meaningful object, the art of woodworking offers a deeply rewarding and fulfilling experience. As the world continues to evolve, the timeless craft of woodworking remains a steadfast and adaptable art form, embracing new technologies and techniques while preserving the traditions that have defined it for centuries. Hello there, welcome to our channel. Today we will show you another collection of creative contemporary woodworking project ideas for your next build. So, watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. We post furniture, decor, and craft ideas videos on daily basis. So, if you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to never miss these inspirational furniture, decor, and craft ideas. Smash the notification bell so that you will be notified when we upload new videos. Also, don't forget to like and share this video, as your likes and shares enable us grow our channel and give you more content in return. Woodworking is the art, craft, and skill of shaping and manipulating wood to create a wide range of functional and decorative objects. It encompasses a variety of techniques and methods that have evolved over centuries of human history. At its core, woodworking involves several processes. These include 1. Selecting and preparing the appropriate wood material, whether it's a log, board, or plank, based on the project requirements. 2. Cutting, shaping, and joining the wood pieces using a variety of hand tools, such as saws, chisels, planes, and power tools, such as table saws, band saws, routers. 3. Assembling the wood components into a coherent structure or design, utilizing various joinery techniques like mortise and tenon, dovetails, and lap joints. 4. Finishing the project by applying protective coatings, stains, or paints to enhance the natural beauty and durability of the wood. The key skills and techniques in woodworking include carpentry, which is the construction of wooden structures, furniture, and other utilitarian objects. Cabinet making, which is the design and creation of cabinets, chests, and other storage furniture. Joinery, which is the intricate art of connecting wood pieces using specialized joints. Carving, which is the sculpting and shaping of wood to create decorative or functional forms. Turning, which is the process of shaping wood on a lathe to create objects like bowls, vases, and table legs. And finally, finishing, which is the application of various coatings, paints, and treatments to protect and enhance the wood's appearance. There are a wide variety of wood species that are commonly used in woodworking projects, each with its own unique properties, characteristics, and applications. Some of the most common types of wood used in woodworking include 1. Oak. Oak is a hardwood known for its strength, durability, and distinctive grain patterns. It is often used for furniture, cabinetry, flooring, and architectural elements. Oak is available in both white oak and red oak varieties. 2. Maple. Maple is a hard, dense hardwood with a fine, uniform grain. It is commonly used for furniture, butcher blocks, musical instruments, and flooring. Maple varieties include hard maple and soft maple. 3. Cherry. Cherry is a popular hardwood with a rich, reddish-brown color that darkens over time. It is frequently used for fine furniture, cabinetry, and architectural millwork. 4. Walnut. Walnut is a dense, heavy hardwood with a distinctive, dark chocolate brown color. It is commonly used for high-end furniture, gunstocks, and decorative wood-turning projects. 5. Pine. Pine is a softwood known for its straight, uniform grain and relatively soft texture. It is often used for construction framing, cabinetry, and rustic furniture. Pine varieties include white pine, yellow pine, and eastern white pine. Six. Birch. Birch is a hardwood with a fine, straight grain and a light, creamy white color. It is widely used for furniture, cabinetry, plywood, and toys. 7. Mahogany. Mahogany is a dense, durable hardwood with a rich, reddish-brown color. It is prized for its use in fine furniture, musical instruments, and boat building. 8. Teak. Teak is a tropical hardwood known for its natural resistance to weathering and decay. It is commonly used for outdoor furniture, decking, and boat construction. These are just a few of the many wood species that woodworkers may choose to work with, each offering unique characteristics and suitability for different types of projects. The selection of wood is a critical decision in any woodworking endeavor, as it can greatly impact the final appearance, durability, and performance of the finished product. All wood types can be categorized as either hardwoods or softwoods. The primary difference between hardwood and softwood lies in the classification of the tree species and their physical characteristics. Hardwoods are derived from deciduous trees, meaning they shed their leaves annually. Hardwood trees are typically broad-leaved, such as oak, maple, cherry, and walnut. Hardwoods are generally denser and more durable compared to softwoods. The grain patterns and textures of hardwoods are often more complex and varied. Hardwoods are typically more expensive and prized for their use in fine furniture, cabinetry, and decorative woodworking. Examples of common hardwoods include oak, maple, cherry, walnut, and mahogany. Softwoods are derived from coniferous trees, which are typically evergreen and needle-leaved. Softwood trees include pine, fir, cedar, and spruce. Softwoods are generally lighter in weight and less dense than hardwoods. The grain patterns of softwoods are often more uniform and straight. Softwoods are generally less expensive and more readily available than hardwoods. Softwoods are commonly used for construction framing, cabinetry, and general woodworking projects. Examples of common softwoods include pine, fir, cedar, and spruce. Well, dear viewers, there you have them. Our hand-picked creative contemporary woodworking project ideas for your next build. Which ones did you like? What did you like about them? Share us your thoughts in the comments section. We hope you've enjoyed our today's content. If you do, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already, and also smash that notification bell so that you will be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. And finally, thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.